Hi, welcome to our click-through tutorial on business services. Business services are a way to what we call model capabilities that span multiple technical services. What that really means is that the semantics for what a set of technical services provide to your users is different from what you think of as an engineer, knowing what the services are that make up one major piece of functionality. So you may have many dozens even of microservices and other features and things that are built up into one particular service that your users know as search or shopping cart or HR functionality or whatever it is. And the business service is really there to encapsulate that meaning for your non-technical users, for your support folks, so they can tell in one place in the PagerDuty UI that, hey, there's a problem on this particular component of our infrastructure, even if they don't know enough to know which microservice on the back end is being impacted, because they don't need to. So to start with our tutorial, we're going to create a new business service. So the business services are located under the services tab, and you can just click on the business services entry there, and you'll see if your account has any business services already enabled. I'm going to create a new one, so I'm going to click the blue button. I'm going to give it a name. I can declare an owner if I want to. I'm going to leave that blank in this case. I am going to assign it to my e-commerce application team. And I'm going to say this is the main fabulous shop service. Now I can add some services to it here. I'm going to do that in the next part, but for right now, I'm just going to create the business service. And now I have the business service here. It's ready for me to work with. There's currently no impacting incidents. Anytime a backend service for this business service has an incident, it will show up here. We'll see that in a later tutorial. Other things I can add here are subscribers. So folks that may not be on your responder escalation policies, and these might be support folks, they might be your product owners, they might be folks in professional services or other places in your organization that want to know when something is impacted, but aren't necessarily going to be paged as part of the response. So you can add those individually here and just kind of click on those folks and add them as subscribers. They will be notified anytime there is an incident that impacts any service that makes up the business service that you are creating. So that's really what there is to business services, and we'll look at putting in some dependencies in the next section. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, or you'd like to send us some feedback, you can join us on the PagerDuty forums at community.pagerduty.com. We would love to hear from you. If you like this part of our product and have good experience with it, give us a shout. If you have any other questions or comments, please let us know. In the meantime, we'll wish you an uneventful day.